What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Alex Shar, and it is 2:05 p.m. I'm currently leaving my day job to go run my business. So yeah, I stopped working full-time the whole 8 to 5, and I now work part-time at a desk and I guess part-time, full-time for myself. It's pretty great. I want to talk to you guys about that. This is my office. I run a clothing company. Over here is where we do our cutting, anything that needs to be prepped before it goes on a shirt, it's prepped here. This is where we keep all of our shirt stock. As you can tell, it is about time for us to restock. But yeah. So this is the rack where we hang the clothes that are done or in the process of being done. And so these are just a few of the festival shirts that we sell at Pride this year. And this is where we stock what we're ready to go ahead and send off for the events that we do. This is our heat press. This is where we actually manufacture the clothes. And this is some more shirt storage. And in here is my personal office where my business partner and I do a lot of planning and, finding orders. We use our Cameo 3 to cut out a lot of the designs. Our cut boards. It's a little bit messy today, but our printer and just some things that we use for storage. And then, of course, we've been trying to organize more about our massive collection of mugs that we purchase wholesale and resell online for profit. So we actually do have a lot of different, ways to make money. And so eventually, I don't want to have to come here at 2 p.m. I want to be able to come here whenever I want. And speaking of, hello! Hi! Here is my business partner, Lauren, and she's got Fifi today for morale. So we're going to start making clothes together, and we got our special buddy. Hi, Bubs! How's it going? But yeah, so this is the tour of Rose Gold Co. Say hello.
Hello.
What are you doing, Bubs? That's the trash bin. So our main way of making money is selling clothing online and also doing events. So we have an event in 2 weeks, so that's really top priority. But another thing that's really important to us is getting our orders out of the way. So the main places that we make sales are on our website as well as on Etsy. So what we do every single day is we go through and we look at our orders and we fulfill them, make sure that they're done on time. And then once we're done with that and everything's shipped, we move on to getting our festival gear done. So what do we have to do today?
Alright, so it looks like we have...
That's been refunded, and that one's for Printify.
Yeah, so it looks like we have a hat to do. We have several black tees to fill. Several black. And then some mugs.
Alright, so I figured out which shirts we're gonna ship off today, so we're just gonna go ahead and get on it. Do you like Beyonce? You like Beyonce, Bubs? Bubby? What you working on?
We are working on the rainbow sleeves for our bestseller, which is our rainbow on the front, Texas Pride on the back, and it has the rainbow sleeves on the sides.
So what do you think takes the longest out of all of it?
Well, definitely the sleeve part, cutting them mostly. And my hand's a little bit tired right now from using the X-Acto knife, so kind of improvising right now.
So
editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
So 2 very special packages just showed up. Super excited. Do you wanna? Looking good. Dude, that is a big ass sign, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so you wanna open the other package? Oh, you look good. Look at you. You look good.
Let's open it up.
Here, use a cutter. It's our flags. Wanna open one up? Look at these. There's 65 in here. We're gonna sell these at the next event. Fee, do you want one, Bubs? You can put it on him. Yeah! It's a nice flag you got there. You look like a gay superhero. He's really happy. Good boy, Bubby. Look at you. Good boy, Bubs. So this is the part where we get the shipping labels for all of the orders that we completed. So yeah, here's how that works.
Meanwhile, across town, in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic...
I'm not sure, sweetie. So we got all of everything packed up and ready to go. So me and Mr. Fee are gonna go to the post office while Miss Baby Love stays and works. Get back to work. All right, let's go, Fee. Ready to kick it? Let's kick it, Fee. Come on, Fee. Let's kick it. So me and Mr. Bubby are on the way to the post office. Hi, Bubs. You're a good boy. and we're gonna drop off our packages, and that's pretty much how a day goes at Rose Gold Co. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you watch next time. Bye!